Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's create something amazing today. Today, we are going to learn a simple but professional text animation using After Effects. Let's start by opening After Effects and creating a new project. Press Ctrl N, Windows, or Command N, Mac, to create a new composition. Name it Text Animation. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and keep the frame rate at 30 frames per second. Next, select the Text tool by pressing Ctrl plus T, Windows, or Command plus T, Mac. Click on the Composition panel and type your text. For this tutorial, I'll use Animate Me as an example. Customize your text using the Character panel by pressing Ctrl plus 6, Windows, or Command plus 6, Mac. Choose your desired font, size, and color. I'll go with Montserrat Bold and white text. Now, let's animate the text. Press P to bring up the position property. Add a keyframe at 0 seconds, move to 2 seconds on the timeline, and adjust the position to slide the text into view. To make the motion smoother, select the keyframes. Right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease, or simply press F9. This will give your animation a natural flow. For a more dynamic look, enable Motion Blur by clicking the Motion Blur icon next to the text layer. To add a fade-in effect, press T to open the Opacity Property. Set the opacity to 0% at 0 seconds, then add another keyframe at 1 second with 100%. Press the spacebar to preview the animation and ensure it looks smooth and engaging. Once you're happy with the results, go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue, or press Ctrl plus M, Windows, or Command plus M, Mac. Choose your desired format, set the output location, and hit Render to save your animation. Congratulations, you've just created a simple yet professional text animation in After Effects. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. See you in the next video.